Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be showing you our product assembly of our LSA VGL 1B01. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing 1 part C, 1 part D and 4 parts 111. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts E and 8 parts number 3. The product does come with a Phillips screwdriver. The item does also come with 2 sets of Allen key. If you have access to power tools, please make use. Let's assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing parts B and our previous assembly C and new parts 114. The item does come with a Phillips screwdriver. You can use power tools if you have access. Let's assemble. Flip it over. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 parts K, 4 parts L, and 8 parts 8R bolt. Let's assemble now. For our next steps, we'll be needing boards B, C, D, and both of our K and L, as well as 12 number 3 screw. Let's assemble. The top will be B, C, and D respectively. For our next step, we'll be using 4 parts 29 our feet. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing 1 board A and 4 parts 11 our bolt. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 parts F and 8 parts number 19. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 parts H, 2 parts I, and number 19, the lockers. 8 of them. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 parts J. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 parts G and 8 parts number 3, our screw. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be inserting our drawers. Thank you so much for watching the product assembly of our lasa.ug 1B01. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and products. Thank you.